boy. Come here, baby. What's going on, YouTube? This your girl, Nubian Princess. Today, no, I'm just kidding. Let me get better lighting. Okay. Hi, YouTube. Let me get my dog. Come on, go say hi to the camera. Hi, YouTube. This is your girl, Nubian Princess. So today, I'm going to do a video of me taking down these wires that I have in my hair. And I'm gonna tell you guys why in a little bit. But in the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned because this is gonna be a live video, but it's gonna be pre-recorded because I am working. So I can't do a live video. So this is pre-recorded, but still you can interact with me. I'm gonna see the comments and I can respond and everything. So give me 1 second. I have to take my dog outside so that he can potty. I'll be right back. All right, guys, sorry about that. I also need to get him some food, so I'll be right back. I'll be back. Don't go nowhere. Don't go anywhere. I gotta feed my babies. All right, see, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I got one more thing to do. Hold on. Alrighty, so I am back. Let's see if I can use this chair to do this really quick. All right, hopefully you guys can see me. These are old balloons that I had for my birthday when I turned the big 4-0. But, oh, I look a hot mess. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna take these wires out. So I put these wires in my hair, and as much as they are cute and everything, like this one is not really bothering me, but there's one that's bothering me. Let's see if I want to even take it out. I might just be able to fix it. Let's see, did I fix it? Okay. So I might not have to take it all out. I might not have to take it out. It's just the wires affecting me up here. So let me take this one out because see the wire is like, it keeps poking my scalp and I don't want to have any open sores or wound on my scalp. So I'm taking this one out, and I have a rope that I'm gonna put on here later. But for now, see, took it out. So it's just like a bendy wire. And then I think we can leave this one because it's not really bothering me. But I do want to tighten up the roll. So maybe I can fix the roll to make it tighter. Hold on, guys. Yeah, definitely. So I'm gonna fix the roll to make it tighter. Okay. So I'm gonna just hold my 2-strand twist and just wrap that wire around it. See if that helps a little bit. And I might put that other wire back and just do the same thing. So instead of starting from the root with these wires, what I would do is say start from the actual shaft of the hair. Hopefully this all makes sense. So, all right, so this is what I got. So that actually works out. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fix all these wires to start from the bottom, yeah. Like to start from the shaft of the hair instead of like the actual root of my locks, because if I have it on the root, it irritates my root. So I figured out what to do. See, this is why I make these videos, so that way you don't make the same mistake that I make. So I just took down this one. So I'm gonna go back in here, and this is the beginning of the wire right here. So instead of starting from the bottom, I'm gonna start from here. And then I'm gonna lock it in. And then I'm just gonna start twisting. But when I twist, I'm gonna make sure it is in place. And then I'll start going down the actual lock. Hopefully you guys can see it. You wanna be careful not to poke yourself with the wire because the ends of the wire are a bit sharp. So yeah, this is what I got going on. It doesn't have to be perfect. It does not have to be perfect. In fact, when it's not perfect, I feel like it's perfect, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm done with this one. So the wire looks much, much better. I don't know where, I'm gonna have to fix this wire. I don't know where I got this wire from, but let's just put it over here on this one. So we're not gonna start from the bottom, we're gonna start from where my 2-strand. And I'm not passing it through the locks, I'm passing it in between the 2-strand twists. So, okay, I'm able to get that one secured in there. And I'm starting to wrap it around. I'm gonna space this one out a little bit more. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Sorry, I'm back. So I was in the middle of wrapping this. I'm wrapping this one. I actually prefer the wire to the rope, but some people might like the rope. The only thing about the wire is it makes your hair like kind of like stick out sometimes. So you have to like bend it to where how you want it to lay. That's the only thing. And with the rope, it's more flexible. So I'm gonna fix this last one over here and we should be good to go. And other than that, I'm still loving my locks. As you can see, my edges have filled in really, really good. And that's because of my oil. My Chi Bella hair grow oil is available. I want you guys to make sure you go ahead and, let me fix my ring. I want you guys to go ahead and make sure you purchase yours. It comes in 4 ounce and 5 ounce. The 4 ounce is $11.99, and that is without 4 ounces $11.99, and that's without what do you call it? Without shipping cost. So you have to put the shipping into consideration. So whenever you send me a DM, you can always message me on YouTube. You can write a comment and I will message you. But I'm also on Instagram. You can find me on Chi_locks. Chi is spelled CHI_LOCS. So you can find me on Chi_locks. And you can definitely send me a message. And once I get that message, we will chat, make arrangements for me to get the oil shipped to you. And you will have thick edges like mine. So I'm almost done. Almost done. Have to make sure that the wire is not sticking out so I don't get poked. That's the only thing about the wire. It can poke you sometimes. Okay, so ta-da! You guys see, I have fixed my accessories. So that is all I have for now. I gotta go because I got stuff to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is my 2-strand twist. I forgot when I got it done. I do have a video on the channel of when I got it done. So make sure you click on it. And the person that did it, I have her information. She's located in Dallas, Texas. Actually in Fort Worth, Texas. So make sure you message her on Instagram. It's Mush Beauty, M-U-S-H Beauty. She's the one that did my 2-strand twist. She does other kinds of hair. She does sew-ins. She does braids. She does everything. Men and women and children and other, whatever you identify as. So thank you so much for watching. And I love you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Bye.